Alright guys, I'm going to review this Innofoods Garden Crisp. I got this at COSTCO, and as you can see, it's got 50% real vegetables with over 50. You got some spinach, kale, and if you guys want to check out the ingredients, it's right over here. So pause the video if you want to read it. Spinach, tapioca flour, kale, red bell peppers, cassava flour, sorghum, carrots, baking powder, onion powder, rosemary, thyme. But yeah, let's open this up, do a quick taste test. Okay, so it looks pretty cool. They look like little mini crispy mini things, or crispers. It's actually pretty similar to a crisper too. Not as crunchy, but pretty good. Tastes like a regular cracker. It has more like almost like a pizza taste to it, because you got the onion and you got the garlic to it. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It almost has like a pizza flavor, like a marinara pizza flavor sauce, because there is tomato in there too. So yeah, it's actually pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. Oh, sorry, not tomato. It has like the bell pepper taste to it. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.